Are software developers being replaced by AI? I don't know, but I'm here to tell you about the new tool I just discovered, Devin AI. It's actually crazy what this AI can do. It's been developed by Cognition. I think the CEO or I think the founder is Scott Wu. So basically, what Devin AI is like all in all like software developer. Like before, like if you're using ChatGPT, you have to like put it the prompt, and then you have to go to the VS Code and you have to go and put it, and then after you have to debug it because it's always going to have so many bugs. But the difference between that and Devin AI is Devin AI has its own platform. So basically, it can go to the web by its own. It can develop in any language, and then if it has an issue, it can easily like fix it by itself. It doesn't require so much intervention from a human being. All you have to do is give it a task for it to do, and by itself it will try to get the task done. I've seen a couple of videos of how the process works, and it's actually impressive. But again, is it going to replace software developers? I doubt, because there's still so much research that needs to be done, especially in terms of the quality of its outputs. Sometimes it faces like bugs, which a human being needs to be there to debug it. Rather than replacing, I think it's here to supplement us, is here to complement us, is here to make us better developers. That's what I think. And there are three types of people. So like I have like a philosophy, I say, of the kind of people that are based on the attitude towards AI. So we have those who are pro AI, who are ready to adjust, adapt, to the market, to the situation of things, and just do anything to stay relevant out there. And we have the other party who is totally against AI, who goes out of their way to make sure that AI is given a bad light, spreading misinformation and telling you that AI is going to take a job, AI is going to, destroy humanity and stuff like that. And we have the third people who don't care. Yeah, they literally just exit. They don't really care about AI. And for me, what I can see is those that actually are willing to adapt are going to stay longer, because AI is not going anywhere. Even if Scott Wu, even if Sam Altman, decides to stop doing AI or is banned, trust me, another player is going to come out from somewhere. It's not going anywhere. There's nothing that can be done. AI is here to stay. And the sooner we accept that, the better it is. So I know now it's new. This is something that we haven't experienced, and there's so many like always going on and this and that. But trust me, I think if you adapt, like as much as AI has come, for sure some jobs are going to be redundant, but also it has brought new job. So go out, look for what kind of jobs it's brought. Like I think prompt engineering is a new one as well. That's recently been introduced as a result of AI, and there are many other jobs that has been recently introduced because of AI. So look at how it evolves in your field. Look at how you can the skills that you need to stand out. Look at how you can apply it in your field. The earlier you start, the better it is for you. That is just a fact, and not just for people, for also businesses. Like if you have a business, see how you can use AI. See how you can smoothen out your process. Don't wait to be the last one. Don't wait till everyone has done it before you do it. Yeah, start now. Think of how you can begin to utilize it now. And to answer my question, I really don't think AI is here to replace software developers. I think we are still very important. I think our job is not going anywhere, because first of all, there's a difference between AI and human beings. Like human beings, we're able to add a better user experience. We're able to do better interface and understand. But with the AI and Devin AI, we can just make it work better for us. basically. It's not going to replace us. Well, I'm going to try and see how I can actually access Devin's AI. So fingers crossed. I'm going to do a tutorial and let's explore. Let's see what exactly we can do with Devin's AI. So that's going to be the whole purpose of this video. Thank you. Okay, guys. So this is my first time doing something like this. So to access Devin, you have to actually go to here, preview.devin.ai. Then it says, hey there, my name is Devin and I'm a software engineer. Give me coding tasks and I will try my best to solve them. So let's say I would like to build a site that stores I would like to build a site that accepts names of books and stores them in a file that users can access via this site. Okay, I need to request for access. Okay. Research. I have to actually okay, I think what I'll do is I'll put my Instagram here and content creator and would like to explore Devin. Please find my Instagram handle here. So it says I have to wait. I don't know how long this is going to take, so I don't think I'll be able to play around with it, but hopefully I get approval and then I'll do another video playing around with it. How about that? But this is sad. I really wish I could play around with the video. Or what I could do is I could actually review. Okay, let's do something. Hello guys. So I don't have access to Devin AI. I've sent an email to them. So hopefully they get back to me. But I don't think they're going to get back to me on time. And I really want to do a video on Devin AI. So I'm just going to check online for what people have posted. I think I saw something that was posted by one of the developers, how they were using it to do side hustle on Upwork. So let's check that out. And also guys, I'm sorry if I speaking in a way or if I make any noise in my nose. I have a little bit of cold. Apologize for that. But anyways, my apologies. Anyways, yeah, so this is the video. Let's check it out. Let's see what they say.
Hey, I'm Walden, one of the developers here at Coach We were playing around with whether or not Devin could start a side hustle on Upwork. So here's actual real job from Upwork, where the client wants to set up this computer vision model, which actually looks quite interesting.
Okay.
Seems very interesting.
So for context. So this is the tax on Upwork. So they said the client wants to do a model on computer vision, and he has provided some.
This computer vision model, which actually looks quite interesting.
Yeah, so he has provided a GitHub hub and text.
I'm not sure how I would start doing this, but you give the task to Devin.
So I think what they want to do is they want to give the task to Devin and see how Devin is going to act on the task. I think that's pretty interesting. So if I may, let's see.
Devin immediately goes ahead.
Let me see. Alright, I'll start by checking out the repository to understand how the models are set up, what's required to run inference. I'll keep you updated on my progress. Just to clarify, do you have any specific image or data you want to use for inference, or should I use a sample data provided in the repository? Okay, sample data is fine, great, I'll proceed, blah blah blah. So it shows you to the right here, you see, it shows you the shell, the browser, the editor, and the planner. That is crazy. So as you can see, there's an issue. So what happened was there was an issue, probably with the package, and Devin has gone to update, like the packages and pip install that is going to need for the task.
Loading and importing packages. You can see that actually downloads.
And it's already writing the code.
But you can see here that there are actually some issues.
You see, there's so many issues, and another reason why I think it's not going to replace us for sure, because we can't 100% rely on AI. I don't think that's logical. But anyways, let's see.
However, Devin knows how to handle these things. Devin kind of pushes, and if you look closely, Devin's actually doing print-line debugging here.
Well, interesting. So it has the ability to debug. Now that is a game changer, because the issue that it faced, we can see that it went ahead to debug it. But let's see if it successfully debugged it.
Statements to track where the data flows. Devin continues to do this until Devin understands how everything's working and actually then updates the code with the fixes after removing print-line statements.
Wow. So actually it was able to solve the issue by itself, was able to debug by itself in minutes. Now this is why I think it's helpful, because for example, if it was a software developer, a human software developer, it will probably take some time to debug and find the issues. They have to check online, Stack Overflow and everything. So yeah, this is efficient, as I said. But then you need someone that has experience to know if it is the right fix or not, right? So that is why software developers will come into play, So it's not entirely going to replace us. Yeah, I don't think so.
It runs the image model across all of these rows across the world, and you can ask for a report from them. At which point, Devin sends over some sample images of rows with damage marked out, and a nice TXT file explaining Devin's work, the different types of outputs of the model. Good job, Devin.
Wow. So guys, what do you think about Devin AI? I think the ability to, understand the task, do a plan, write the code. If it has an issue, debug it. I think that is very impressive. I think it's really exciting. But then how do you know if it's correct? So I don't think organizations is going to fully trust AI, with the systems. I don't think any wise organization will do that. And that is where we come in. That is where as software developers, because you understand how it works, we can, see if it's right or wrong and, correct it. So no, I don't think it's going to replace us. I think it's going to complement us. Yeah, some people call it Jarvis. So that's my view. Thanks for watching it to the end of this video. I really appreciate. Let me know, your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and hopefully I get the pass to try out Devin AI, and I'll do another video on that and we can explore it in more details.